Okay, so we can have a better look on the 4 Nugget that is already with the actual bed made. So I can put probably 2 people with the legs on that part and sleep comfortably. Standard 4 transit custom design, and another bed will be on the pop-up roof, and we have 4 bikes layout with the actual 4x4 version of this and the pop-up bed right up there with 2 additional more sleeping places and a lot of space for all your kitchenware in cooking situation, with additional space down there where your legs go, and then another space for your chemical toilet, additional space all the way here, and additional space all around. Well, that's actually pretty nice with a lot of space. And also you have additional cabinets, the big cupboard unit all the way on this part, and an additional big cupboard on that side. Big control unit right up here, additional storage right up there with blinds on that part, and well, this is the fridge, basically a drawer, pretty nice and pretty good layout. And then if we exit outside, we can have a look on this part. So yeah, 2 people can pretty comfortable sleep here. And this is active version. They said also